Welcome to our tutorial on collection grids. Are you in search of an ideal solution to display multiple products and collections under one section? Incorporating a collection grid into your mobile store is an excellent choice when you want to showcase a variety of products and collections to your customers in a grid. How? On your Swipecart dashboard, go to App, select Design. Click the edit icon on your current design. Select Collection Grid from the Widget panel drop-down. Immediately, the Widget panel will load different style variants of the collection grid. We have collection grids in different shapes like round, square, vertical, and rectangle. Drag and drop a suitable collection grid to the design section. First, let's add/edit content. Here, choose the product, collection, page, or website URL that you want to display in the collection grid and redirect your users to. If you do not want to name a collection with its original name, enable the display name box and give a custom name to it. Else, keep the toggle disabled. Please note that there is no limit on the size of the image. Swipecart automatically compresses the image to the right size. In the display name box, enter the name to be displayed below the image. Pro tip: if you have enabled the multi-language plugin, we recommend adding an equivalent word for the display name in other languages used in your app. Click Add. Repeat the process till you have added everything. Click Submit and your collection grid is ready. To edit your collection grid, hover over the block and select Edit Style. As you make changes here, you can see a preview of it on the right side mobile screen. Padding. And container padding from here. In the widget title section, you can give a name for your collection grid. You have the option to customize the widget title. You can customize the alignment, font size, letter spacing, font color, font style, and font weight. From the Images column, you can set up how you want the image to fit within the grid. You can choose to fill, cover, or contain. The Background column lets you add custom colors or images to the collection grid. On selecting color, you can add color to your grid. Click Image to upload an image for your grid. There are no limitations on the image size. Click None to not have any image or color. Customize the way you want the titles to display in the grid. Here, you can choose to clip or wrap the title of your collections. To add shadow to your collection grid, enable the toggle for box shadow and choose a variant. Save the changes. To make a copy of the collection grid, hover over it and select Copy Block. Now, go to the block where you want to paste it. Select Paste Block. If you want to change the style variant of your collection grid, select Edit View by hovering over it. Here, you can change the view. You can also remove this block. Hover over the collection grid and click Remove Block. It is removed from the design section. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the collection grid on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view your grid on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with adding widgets to your mobile app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our implementation specialist or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.